Many of you are in panic mode because you look at chart like this. This is Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame, and it shows that Bitcoin has hit $91,000. And those of you who look at the chart on lower time frame are freaking out like, oh, the market is dipping. But what you need to understand is you have to look at the bigger picture. Where we are at this point in time in the market, we are still in an uptrend. We are not in a downtrend yet on the higher time frame. So whatever happens with Bitcoin, we want to see price or the price of Bitcoin stay within this range. I already updated my VIP members about these levels that until we see these levels break out before we can start being afraid or being scared. In today's video, I want us to look at CSPR, Casper, and Reef Coin. Let's look at these coins if say they're about to hit their bull run. Maybe Refinance did do something really good, but CSP past Casper hasn't been doing somehow well. But looking at the previous move of CSP Casper, I think there's more into price action that I believe we can look at and gain some sort of idea of where the market makers might be pushing price toward. As for Reef, well, it's always as it is, still moving sideways, consolidating. I think they are preparing to pump refinance as what they did last time. If you're new on my platform, you are watching the BETONG Crypto here. I create content to help anyone out there who is interested to make sustainable wealth or build wealth from scratch from nothing, right? So if you are a beginner and you want to learn how to build wealth, how to make it happen, by looking at the chart, then this platform is for you. I talk about market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, when to sell, and more to that, I have a group where I share updates on what I'm buying and what I'm selling. So if you're interested to be part of that group, it's my VIP group. It costs just $20. Feel free to join. Use the link that you're gonna find below this video to join the VIP, or you can send me USDT through my free Telegram group. So join my free Telegram group and let me know you want to join the VIP group. All right, guys, let's dive into what I got for you guys today. But don't forget to subscribe if say you are new here. Now, this is Bitcoin, of course. I'm not going to talk about Bitcoin right now. I want us to begin with refinance. This is a riff on the 1 hour time frame. And looking at the 1 hour time frame, you might say that refinance is dumping or Reef Coin is dumping. No, Reef Coin isn't dumping on this time frame. We can see how price break structure here and create a new high on the 1 hour time frame, which is awesome. You can see that's created a new high, and usually what happens when price create a high, price must come back and retest these levels here, before the next move to the upside. So looking at this on the 1 hour time frame, I would say that price is at a perfect level at the time of doing this video. For anyone who want to get into this coin, you can start getting in it on this lower time frame right now, or you can wait and see what price will do on the 4 hours time frame. Like you can see on the 4 hours time frame, it shows that we have already broken structure. Yeah, you can see clearly this was a structure. Price break the structure and price have retest the structure again, but it break below, which isn't good. But again, I think that we can be concerned more about price when price is going to do something like this, break below and close below this current level. So we don't want to see price close below this level. And if we see price stay above where it is right now, like price create a trend line like this or something like this, let me bring in a proper trend line. So if price do something like this, stay above this range, then I think we are good to go with refinance. And again, those of you who are investing in this coin and you are looking at what Bitcoin is doing, it's okay. Bitcoin has pumped so much, and we are expecting more altcoins to actually make their next move or their second move to the outside. We have seen some few high cap, mid cap, and low cap coins pump, and I think we want to see more of these coins pump. So it's okay if say you didn't get in yet, you can still maintain this trend provided price is not come to break below this level, yeah, that I mentioned. So if price stays above this trend line, or if price can even come right down to this area, let me show you guys another possibility. price can even come right down to this zone here, but price shouldn't break below this support zone here. So it's pretty awesome to see that refinance on the daily time, on the 4 hours time frame, is making some moves. And again, if you understand how I look at the market, there was always going to be pullback, from this zone. You see, in the past we saw pullback there. So price going to that zone again, is normal that we see pullback after that. So those of you who are investing in Reef Coin shouldn't panic that we saw pullback immediately. Price got to the zone. It's but normal that price must respect key areas in the past that price rejected. Be it uptrend or downtrend. In this case, price was in a downtrend, and price attempted this zone first, second, third, even four times, and now we came back here, and we should expect some sort of retracement from there. And I think if say this is gonna be where the price is gonna bounce, then the next target is gonna be right up to this other zone here. So there's lots of resistance for refinance, a lot of zones that we should expect resistance before we're gonna see the next pump to the upside. So if you ask me, I would say this should be the bottom of this move. We have seen multiple price actions here, like for a long time now. If we go to the daily time frame, you're gonna see what I'm trying to say after this huge pump. So this area has been, price has been moving around this area like sideways. So this should be the bottom, and the next target should be to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting for Reef Coin. So now let's get to CSPR Casper and look at this bad boy. Oh boy. Ever since we saw this huge pump to the upside, price has been moving sideways, half of the move. And I think that where we are is but normal, because we break a significant structure. Yeah, this was really awesome to see that CSPR Casper break this structure. Yeah, this was a significant structure that I was expecting price to break, and good for me that I bought right down here. Why? Because I saw this huge spike to the upside and price respect structure, so I expected the next pump to go to the upside, but I didn't expect this huge pump. But I expected a pullback after that. I saw right at the top here, and this pullback, it can still come right down to this zone for Casper. This zone here, it can still come here. But what we want to see price to do is break out of this zone here. So price should not break out of this zone. Price should stay above this, or like move sideways, can come here and move sideways like this. It shouldn't break below. So for Casper, I think that the coin, it has some issues. Their community has some issues. Let me not say their community. I think the developers, the founders, they have some issues, bad partnerships. Now I think they are building back from scratch, trying to bring in new momentum to the project, new partnerships. I think that's the reason why the price is spiking. Investors are now gaining confidence again on the project. They think that maybe it can get to $1, $2. But I think that this coin has the potential to hit $1. Last time it almost hit $1. I mean, last bull market, I was present during the last bull market, and I saw how this coin almost hit $1. It made me some quick gains, good money, and now we are at this zone here that I think maybe is normal that price get to this area, and we should see price hold. Yeah, and if price hold at this zone and price is above the alpha trend, if price hold this zone, then I think the next target is gonna be around this 0.3 price point. If price is going to go to this area, we should expect some sort of resistance here before price break this area. And if say price break this area, we should expect another resistance above here. So you can mark these zones for CSPR Casper. When price get to a particular zone, you should expect pull back from there, or some sort of struggle. Price should struggle, yeah, before break again to the next upside. Then before you can still look at the next level to the upside. Again, guys, this is how the market moves. You cannot cheat the market. You cannot do what you don't understand. If you understand how the market moves, then you always be in profit. You always be looking at the bigger picture. You look at your target, and when price gets your target, you're gonna cash out your profit. By the way, guys, if say you haven't yet joined my VIP, make sure you join my VIP, particularly for those of you who are still beginners. or you have been losing money in the space, you want someone to help you out with profit taking, and there's going to be a time when you need to exit the market. If say you don't have that skill to exit the market, then you need to be connected with someone who understand when to get out from the market, when it's going to be the bear market. So if say you want to be part of that, then make sure you join my VIP group. It's going to cost you this amount. Right now, we have about 10 members in the VIP group, and my target is to have at least 100 members. After that, I'm looking at maybe increasing the amount, but I still want to increase the amount from January. So if say by December, we don't have up to 100 members, I'm gonna still change the amount to more from $50 and above. It's gonna be the reasonable number for me, based on the hard work I do for my VIP community. This is just like promotion for those of you who want to get in as soon as possible. So this is what I'm looking at for these coins, refinance, and CSPR Casper. I will say that these coins haven't yet done well as compared to other coins, their technology, what they are building. Maybe their investors just want to pump the price and dump it. I don't know. But what I do know is that I will help anyone out there to get in, get out as soon as they can. So if say again you want to be part of my community, make sure you go at the description of this video. There's going to be a link to join my free Telegram group. And if say you want to be part of my VIP group, you know what to do. I already told you. Join my VIP group. Having said that, guys, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Ciao. Bye bye.